372 to Lakeside.
Ooh, Ibus is starting to get dead on these lot. Interesting. Let's see if it's the same for upstairs. Because sometimes they're both dead, sometimes it's just one. Yep, they're both dead. See what I told you? I don't know what happens like that. I think they're linked to each other or something. I think both of the buses are linked to each other with like some type of Bluetooth thing or something like that. Gotta appreciate these futuristic Tridents, man. They've carried on the Trident chassis, man, and renamed it as the E40D or the E40SH. They've carried it on, man. The Trident hasn't ended. These are literally the Trident. It's just renamed. The chassis has literally been renamed. If you look at Trident, it will tell you the successor to it is the E40D. It will literally tell you on Wikipedia. So Trident is still a thing, man. They've just carried it on in another generation. These MMCs carry it on. So people need to, like, I think it's a bit too early to be making your farewell Trident videos and all that, man.